Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9 and Metric English Compulsory. This is your teacher Sufaira Babar. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all in the best of health and iman and taking care of yourselves and your families. Today we are going to revise our adjectives. This is the part 1. Definition. An adjective describes or modifies nouns and pronouns in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about a noun or pronoun. Adjectives usually provide relevant information about the nouns or pronouns they modify or describe by answering the questions: what kind, how many, which one, how much. Adjectives enrich your writing by adding precision and originality to it. The examples can be the color, size, shape, taste, odor, texture, sound, number, weather. So in color we can say black, blue, coral green, pink. Size can be big, huge, large, little, short. Shape can be boxy, oval, round, square, triangular. Taste can be bitter, sour, sweet, tangy, tart. Odor can be flower, fresh, musty, salty, stinky. Texture can be bumpy, furry, slimy, smooth, squishy. Sound can be faint, harmonious, loud, pleasant, quiet. Number can be few, 50, many, sparse, two. And weather can be clear, dry, foggy, rain, windy. And we can use more adjectives. There are many more how to describe things, whatever we want to describe. Let's see an example in a paragraph. A large tabby went for a long walk with his best friend, the Siamese cat. They went down the main street, through the town park to the sandy beach and onto the old dock where they smelled rotten fish. They could see the blue water, feel the cold wind, and smell the greasy food cooking in the boardwalk restaurant. Now, the adjectives in the above paragraphs are depicted in purple and nouns in red. So the tabby is large, the walk is long, the friend is best, the cat is Siamese, the street main, the park is town, and so on. Now some examples in sentences. Asim has a blue car. There were tall trees around the garden. She has a tiny purse. This is the sweetest honey I've ever tasted. I will go to buy cows with my two friends, and on. Now we have a task here: limp, vital, sharp, tidy, ancient, blurry, flat. These are adjectives and we are going to use them appropriately in the given sentences. It is absolutely dash that our computer system be upgraded. Be careful with the knife, it is really dash. They found the ruins of an dash civilization while digging for oil. He has a very dash handshake which gives an impression of weakness and indecisiveness. Her house is always dash, but her car is an absolute mess. I took a photo of the bicycle race, but it's so dash that you can't see anything. There was no wind, so the lake was completely dash when we went canoeing. And this you have to do in your notebooks. Then we have another one. The adjectives are tremendous, main, cooperative, cozy, ridiculous, electric, firm, and plain. Rupees 4,000? I think it's dash to spend that much money for a t-shirt. When I was a kid, my parents bought us an dash toothbrush that made it lots of fun to brush our teeth. The dash source of summer jobs for young people in Victoria is tourism. I like to sleep on a very dash mattress, so a futon is perfect for me. My son loves yogurt with fruit in it, but I prefer dash yogurt myself. Her teachers are very dash and help her in her studies. Their company is very successful. They are earning dash amounts of money. We felt really dash wrapped up in our sleeping bags front of the fire. Now we have to do the above exercises in your notebooks and upload them for checking. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.